Welcome to Apple Ultra. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own Apple Store badge. It's really easy with the help of the shortcuts application. It's this here, and it should be pre-installed on iOS 13 and 14, but if you have uninstalled it for whatever reason, you have to install it from the App Store again, and then you have to download a shortcut from the shortcuts library, or create your own and then run it. And then you should see then in the settings a option to allow untrusted shortcuts. Now we have to go to the notes and then paste in Memoji. Now you can select whichever you want. Have those two. Now you have to press long on them and then press on share. Scroll to the bottom. In my case, it can be different in your share sheet. You have to be careful and watch out for this shortcut because you have now downloaded it, and yeah, it should be now in the share sheet. Press on it. Now it asks you which name you want to choose. Now let me say I want to have Apple. Now I can press done, and then here we can choose the color of the Apple logo. Now I choose this color, and now I just can press on save image, and it should be in my photo library. Now you see here we have our Apple badge, which you've seen that we now have created with the emoji, with our name, and with the blue Apple logo. I hope you've enjoyed the small quick video, and see you in the next one. Peace.